Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have tried something new, something unique for my today's eye makeup. Although this is not my comfort zone, but suddenly I wanted to create this, so I tried. As I always do, I have done my face makeup and now applying a concealer as an eyeshadow base. This is LA Girl Pro HD Concealer in the shade Porcelain. After blending it with a blender, I have taken this bright red color from Morphe James Charles palette with a pencil brush and applying on my crease area. First I am applying this color in a kind of patting motion but not blending. Slightly extending this cause I am going to do a full cut crease. Now blending with a fluffy brush. Now it's time to do the cut crease, so I am applying the concealer on my upper lash line and looking upward so that I can get the guideline up to which I will be extending the concealer. Now just giving it a proper shape. Now blending this with a flat brush. Now taking this matte white shade from the same palette and applying all over my eyelid. This eye makeup will be fully matte, so I will not use any shimmery or glittery shade for this eye look. But if you want, you can use any shimmery shade or any glitters. To make the cut crease more prominent, I am applying the same red shade once more with a small flat brush. For this I am using a lip brush. Now blending with a fluffy brush. Then again smudging this red shade with a small flat brush. For this look, I will be lining my upper lash line with this red matte liquid lipstick, making a wing liner. Guys, you can find all products details which I have used here in the description. Slightly extending the liner here. For my lower lash line, I am using the same red matte eyeshadow, and for this I am using a small flat brush and then blending with a blending brush. Now highlighting the brow bone and inner corner with Makeup Revolution Pro Highlighter. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which is my all-time favorite. As I did my eye makeup with bright red color, so for my lips I am using this nude shade. This is also from Maybelline. This is the final look. If you want to do something different eye makeup for any creative or conceptual photos, then you can go for this. Otherwise, don't do this eye makeup for any occasion. But you can do full cut crease with different shades. You can do full cut crease on a bright too. Girls, if you like my content, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. You will get new videos in every week on my channel. Your likes, your comments shows your support for me and this motivates me. I need your support, guys. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Bye. See you in next week.